My name is Vansh, and I'll tell you a brief story. Just yesterday, I was on a video call with my family, and I told them about the hackathon that I'm participating in. I told them it was a nuclear hackathon. My mom was like, "You're making explosives?" My brother was like, "Oppenheimer." Like, they were all around some preconceived notions that he had. I told them, like, we are making nuclear power technologies for aiding industries. I think I just got to learn about that just yesterday. That nuclear technology is used in many wide-scale industries. And we as Team Aspire have only one goal. We want to harness the power of nuclear technology in all industries. Because we understand that the power is not harnessed yet. It's not working on its full potential. We'll give you a brief tour of what exactly application that we have developed. We have tried to cover all the major industries. We are trying to cover agriculture, we have covered space technology, we have covered manufacturing, and we have covered medicine. Can you please start the video? Okay, so you choose a sector that you're in, and then it gives you 3 problem statements, the problem statements that you're currently struggling with. And then you can add your own specific parameters. For example, if my budget is around 100K, I will choose a budget that's near to that. So there's all the parameters are specified to that particular industry owner. And according to that, you will get a customized cost comparison. You will get a chart that's traditional method of what exactly you're doing right now. And a chart, a matrix, a real matrix of what actually your cost improvement can be. You will get an ROI matrix and a good chart that will help you to aid in your understanding. We've used an XGBoost model over here. We run different experiments and it helped us. It was the best. Plus, the most important thing is that it will generate an entire report. The report will be able to you download in PDF format. If you click on the PDF format, you'll be able to download that. So it's very good for industry owners so that they can have the entire thing in a PDF format for further delivery and further understanding. And this is entirely personalized. Then we have the knowledge base. This talks about all the different types of isotopes that are there, plus where you can find them, what exactly are isotopes, how they are produced, and all of the relevant details that any industry owner or business owner wants to know about isotopes and nuclear technology. We have also covered the industrial applications as well as the safety and regulations. I think that's one of the most important things, the safety one and regulations that are currently there in the market. I think the most important thing that we are focused on is on the engineering side of it. We've used an XGBoost model, but the most important thing is that we've used an entire pipeline. We have made an application that's industry ready and production grade. It means that it can be used next day into your system, in industries, in the big companies that you have. We have made sure we have used DVC, that's data version control. Because as and when new data keeps on coming, you need to keep track of each and every record with the timestamp that at this particular timestamp, we had this new record. So that you can easily revert back or roll back at a previous database that you want. The second thing is that we also have the same thing in model. We have implemented MLflow that helps you to track all the model changes that you've done. And then we have also implemented Docker and Kubernetes. Docker helps you to containerize the entire application with its dependencies. So that any system that you want, any system, anywhere, you can install the entire thing on that particular system. Plus, because here we have implemented different technologies, different industries, we have made sure that it is implemented using Kubernetes. Because different containers would have different load balancers. Some would go down, and manually making them, keeping them uptime is very tedious task. So Kubernetes helps in that. Plus, Prometheus and Grafana help us to model the monitor accuracy. After a bit of time, maybe around 6 or 12 months, the accuracy of the model will drop. Because the new data will come and your model may not be ready for that data. It may or may not get the good accuracy. So for that, Prometheus helps and Grafana helps to visualize all those things. Plus, we have alerts that helps to retrain the model again on the new data set. So I think the entire thing that you built is ready for industries and all the companies. Thank you.